back to our next video, that is cost of concept. So there are three types of cost we are going to study in our today's video. But first of all, let us see what do you mean by the term cost. So cost is when the producer produces different commodities, and to produce all those commodities many things are required to the producer. We can say just various inputs are needed to produce the commodities in the market. So which are the different types of inputs? The inputs are just like the material is needed, that is raw material is needed. Then even we can say labors are needed, power is needed, that is electricity, fuel is needed, and etc. we can say. So all these things are needed for the producer to produce in the goods in the market. So when the producer pays all these factors, that is to purchase raw material he has to pay something. Even when he uses the labors, he has to pay them the wages. So all this is known as the cost of प्रोडक्शन. सो ये जो भी चीज़ें प्रोड्यूस किए जाएंगे, जैसे उसने लेबर्स यूज़ किए पेमेंट देना पड़ेगा, उसने अगर रॉ मटेरियल लाया तो उसके लिए भी उसे पेमेंट्स देना पड़ेगा. इवन अगर उसने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज़ की अगेन ही हैव टू पे. So when he goes on paying all these things, that payment can be called as the cost of production. And as if the producer thinks that I want to increase my output, output का meaning है if he wants to increase the supply. So at that time ultimately automatically the cost of production also goes on increasing. So in our today's video we are going to see that there are different, that is we can say three types are there of the cost. So the first one we are going to see, that is the total cost. The second one is the average cost, and the last one is the marginal cost. So the word total itself says the cost is total. Average means it is the cost of the single product, and marginal means the additional cost. So what do you mean by the term total cost? So total cost means the expenditure which is incurred by the firm on all the factors of production. So जो भी उनका expenditure incur करेंगे on all the factors of production, irrespective whether they are the fixed cost or whether it is the variable cost. ये नहीं देखा जाएगा कि वो fixed cost है या variable cost है, पर जो भी प्रोडक्शन करते वक्त जो भी चीज़ें यूटिलाइज होती है उस पर अगर कॉस्ट इनकर करना पड़ा, then that cost can be called as the total cost. So total cost is further divided into two types. The first one is the fixed cost, that is the total fixed cost we can say, or fixed cost also we can say, and the other one is the variable cost or total variable cost. So fixed cost means what it is, when the cost is incurred. You can see there the formula is written, that is total cost formula is, that is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. सो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट किसे बोलेंगे, जब भी फिक्स्ड चीज़ों पर प्रोडक्शन की चीज़ों पर जब भी एक्सपेंडिचर विल बी डन. जस्ट वी कैन से दैट लैंड इज देयर, मशीनरीज आर देयर, ऑल दिस विल कम अंडर द हेडिंग ऑफ द टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. एंड टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, वेरिएबल का मीनिंग है दैट इज नॉट स्टेबल, विच गोज ऑन चेंजिंग, कैन बी कॉल्ड एज द वेरिएबल. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन से raw material is there, it is not necessary that every month he will bring the same units of the raw material. If the stock is available with him, he can change the units of raw material after every month. So raw material is a type of variable cost. Another one you can say the cost incurred on the power, on the electricity we can say, or even on the fuel, even on the water, all these things, or even we can say the labors are there. So when the cost is incurred on all these things can be called as the total variable cost. So this is the, we can say only it is TC, that is the total cost, only the initials are given here. Then again TFC is equals to total fixed cost, and TVC is equals to the total variable cost. So this you can just see this one, land is there and the machineries are there. So that is fixed, it will not change. So that's why it can be called as the total fixed cost. The other one is total variable cost. So total variable cost, that is the whatever the cost is incurred on the water we can say, or even we can say on the solar energy, or even we can say on the power supplies are there. So all that in all that cost can be called as the total variable cost, which is not fixed, it will change after every month. So that can be called as the total variable cost. The other one we are going to see, that one is the average cost. So first of all, clear the word average means what. So average का meaning है the cost of the single commodity produced by the producer. जो भी सिंगल कॉमोडिटी प्रोड्यूस की जाएगी, अगर हमने वो सिंगल कॉमोडिटी का प्राइस निकाला, सो दैट प्राइस कैन बी कॉल्ड एज द एवरेज कॉस्ट. जब भी प्रोड्यूसर्स सप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करते हैं और एट वंस दे प्रोड्यूस द थिंग्स एट अ टाइम, एंड व्हेन he or she or that producer wants to find out that what is the cost of the particular commodity produced by him, and when he finds that cost of that particular thing, that means the single commodity, that can be called as the average cost. And this one is the formula used to find out the average cost. That means average cost AC is equals to total cost. TC means that is the total cost. Initials only have to use while writing the formula, even full form if you write no problem. So TC मतलब total cost, and this one is a dividation sign. So total cost divided by the total quantity. So total cost जितना भी रहेगा प्रोडक्शन पे, वन एग्जाम्पल इज आई विल शो यू दैट नाउ, बट टोटल कॉस्ट जो भी होगा उसके साथ टोटल क्वांटिटी विल बी डिवाइडेड. So if you see here, one example is given that the cost of producing 9 chairs is rupees 9,000. मीन्स अगर 9 चेयर्स वो परचेस करने गए तो 9 चेयर्स का प्रोडक्शन का कॉस्ट कितना है 9,000. एंड देन व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग 1 चेयर. सो अगर एवरेज निकालना है, ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू एवरेज मीन्स द कॉस्ट ऑफ द 1 चेयर इटसेल्फ. So the production cost of 9 chairs is 9,000, and what is the cost of 9 chairs? So this 9,000 can be called as the total cost, and that total quantity. So how many chairs were there here? If you see, that is 9 chairs. So 9 chair means that is the total quantity. As I told you, AC is equals to TC divided by TQ. So the TC is 9,000 and the TQ is 9. Total quantity is 9 chairs. So if you divide this both, you get the answer, that is 1,000. So the cost of producing this 1 chair will be of 1,000 rupees. So this is the case of the average cost. The next one we'll see, that is of marginal cost. So what do you mean by the term marginal cost? Marginal का meaning है that is the additional cost. जो भी उनका जो भी कॉस्ट होगा प्रोडक्शन का, उसमें अगर एक और यूनिट प्रोड्यूस किया गया, जैसे हमने अभी एग्जांपल देखा था चेयर्स के रिलेटेड. सो 9 चेयर्स वर प्रोड्यूस्ड, एंड इफ आई विल से दैट आई वांट टू प्रोड्यूस 1 more chair, that is the 10th chair, then what will be the cost of that 10th chair? That we are going to study here in the marginal cost. So marginal means what it is? Just the addition, that is net addition made to the total cost. Total cost I told you just now कि 9,000 was the total cost there, and 9,000 में अगर मैंने और ऐड कर दिया मार्जिनल कॉस्ट, एंड वो उसका अमाउंट है 9,500. सो व्हाट वाज द टोटल कॉस्ट 9,000, एंड व्हाट इज द एडिशन मेड टू दैट, दैट इज 9,500. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस बोथ द नंबर्स, दैट मीन्स 9,500 एंड माइनस 9,000. what we the answer is there with us, that is 500. So 500 will be called as the marginal cost. We will see the other example now. So first of all, the formula is there, marginal cost of nth unit, that is total cost of nth unit minus total cost of n minus 1. Total cost जो भी रहेगा, जैसे I told you now, if 9 chairs are there, so 9 chairs, that is the total cost of n, and minus total cost of n minus 1, जो एडिशन हुआ रहेगा. जैसे 10th चेयर प्रोड्यूस की उसने, तो उसमें से वो माइनस हो जाएगी 10th चेयर, 9 minus 10. n stands for number of units produced. Then MCN means marginal cost of the nth unit, जो cost होगा उसका. जैसे 9,000 is the cost of producing 9 chairs, and when the one additional chair is produced, that means when the 10th chair is produced, at that time the cost is of 9,500. So that will be the total cost of the, marginal cost of the nth unit means 9,500, and total cost of nth unit means here you can take the number 9,000. So total cost of previous units, n minus 1 बोला तो यूनिट्स में माइनस करना है. यूनिट्स मतलब 9 चेयर्स एंड 10 चेयर्स आर द units of production. And one more example is given here. We will study that example, that if the previous total cost of producing 4 units is rupees 200 and total cost of producing 5 units is rupees 250, then अगर 4 units produce किए, so the cost is 200 rupees, and when they produce the one more extra unit, that means the 5th unit, then the cost is 250. Then what is the marginal cost? So here is the formula, that when MCN is equals to TCN minus TCN minus 1. This is the formula. So this one is TCN, that means the unit what we have produced, additional unit. So this will be 250, and minus TCN minus 1, that means the additional unit you have to subtract from that. So this will be 200. So 250 minus 200, the answer is 50 rupees. So 50 will be our marginal cost. So in this way only we have seen our 3 concepts today in our today's video. Total cost is divided into 2 types, that is total fixed cost and total variable cost, and the other one we have seen that was the average cost, and the third one which we have seen is the